How to make a great Euphorbia Hirta face pack. Get rid of pimples and warts. A beautiful woman is 100% attractive in every place if no one other is with her. Sans Eagle. Pimples and warts are a problem for many people, and this Amman pacharisi leaf is a permanent solution for them. Let's see how to prepare it in this post. Amman pacharisi powder is widely used in Tamil Nadu for skincare, especially for treating warts, pimples, and wounds. All parts of the plant are used for medicinal purposes. The white milky sap found in the plant also has medicinal uses. How to call it? This leaf is called Amman pacharisi in Tamil and snakeweed in English. The scientific name is Euphorbia Hirta. Where can I find Euphorbia Hirta leaves and powder? Euphorbia Hirta is an easily available herbaceous plant near the house. Euphorbia Hirta powder can be prepared at home, or buy at the nearest country pharmacy. How to make an Amman pacharisi face mask. Take 1 tablespoon Amman pacharisi powder, 1 tablespoon wild turmeric, and some multani medi and mix well. Add milk or honey as well. Finally, add rice water and mix well and make a paste. How to apply the face pack. Prepare this paste and use it after 5 minutes. Apply it well on the face and neck area. Rub well after 15 minutes. Do it slowly without scrubbing too much. You can use this face pack 2 times a week. Benefits of using this face pack? Euphorbia Hirta. This Amman paste leaf is rich in antioxidants and healing properties. It is a remedy for blackheads, sun damage, and wounds. It removes dead cells and allows new cells to grow back. Wild turmeric Kasturi manjal has been used traditionally for curing acne, acne scars, and pimples, and for uplifting skin glow and radiance. Multani medi is used because the oil comes out due to pimples on the face. Milk or honey. Honey is nature's most revered skin remedy. It is beneficial for oily and acne-prone skin due to its antibacterial and antiseptic abilities. Honey is a natural moisturizer. Rice water. When rice water is used, it keeps the skin glowing and soft. How to make a face pack for warts using Amman pacharisi leaves. Add 10 leaves of Amman pacharisi, 1 betel leaf, 10 Indian neem leaves, kapi baimani, 1 piece of ginger, and 1 piece of garlic, and grind the inside of the banana. How to apply this face pack. Apply this paste on the wart wherever there is a wart on the body. A good solution is obtained when used twice a week. Benefits of using this face pack? Indian nettle. This leaf helps to keep the skin refreshed and smooth. It also helps in skin problems like acne, pimples, psoriasis, and eczema. Ginger. Ginger is best for dark skin. Just take ginger, crush it and apply its juice to the wart and it will disappear very soon. Banana peel. Banana peels are rich in fiber and nutrients that help in skin rejuvenation. Just take a banana peel and apply it to warts to make the warts disappear. How to make serum with Amman paste leaf. Take a handful of Amman paste leaves and grind it well. Or can be purchased at powder stores. Add rose water to the powder and mix in liquid form. How to apply the serum to the face. Wash your face well first. Then apply the serum evenly to your face. Massage well after 15 minutes. You can use this serum twice a week. Applying the serum in this way will give a good glow to the face. What are tips for using this face pack? For warts, crush ginger and apply its juice regularly to warts to make them disappear. Apart from that, if pineapple juice is applied regularly, the pimples will disappear. When some people get irritation or allergy when using this leaf or powder, this honey or milk can be used. How to overcome the disadvantages of using these face packs. Some people may experience allergic reactions and irritation while using Amman pacharisi powder. Adding honey or milk to it does not cause irritation. Instead of applying it to the face, use it on the hands first. No matter how plain a woman may be, if truth and honesty are written across her face, she will be beautiful. Eleanor Roosevelt. Thanks for watching this video.